Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be special, guys. So, these are for your general energies, for your career and relationship situation, guys. And for your moon energies, I'll be picking one card, and for your special love message. So, this card will be for your love situation, what you can do today, Virgos. And I also have the pick a card reading, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. That will follow this reading, Virgos. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Seven of Swords, Sun, and Nine of Pentacles. So, in your situation, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, there is someone trying to grab your opportunities, maybe use your skills and talents to benefit themselves. So, if you know who it is, if you have even a vague idea who it will be, you must try to avoid them, guys. So it may be someone from your work situation. Maybe they feel that you are doing things in the right way and they want to use your skills and talents to benefit themselves, maybe in projects or whatever work related decisions you may take, or it may be some efforts you are making. So they may try to benefit themselves, or there is this person maybe even trying to rob you, guys, rob you financially, so swindle your money, something like that. So if you have, or if you get some offers for some lucrative projects, or maybe telling you something, something very promising, certain offers or opportunities, it may look very promising, but you must think twice if you have people trying to force you towards that path, Virgos. Same way in this relationship, guys, maybe you may have some kind of a doubt or confusion over this person, Virgos, for some reason. Maybe you do not know them well, but with these cards, with the Sun and the Nine of Pentacles, I see that your misunderstanding is going to come to an end and you are going to see or you are going to feel a lot satisfied, content. Maybe there may be something in your mind. Maybe this person you love, they may ask you some help, or they may advise you to take up something, maybe some projects, or it may be work related advice they may be giving you. So you may have some doubt about this person. Maybe you need to think for yourself. You may feel that way, but I see that in your relationship your circumstances will resolve, guys. And even in your career situation, if there was a person like that trying to use you, even that circumstance will change, guys. Maybe you will understand them, or maybe they will not get that chance to influence you in a bad way. So some kind of positive changes are happening, guys, though there are certain things happening against you. All that will resolve very soon, Virgos. So for your moon energies, Virgos, we have one card here, and it is a very positive card. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. So there are great opportunities in your career and even in your love situation. Opportunities to find a new person if you are single, or opportunities to have passionate relationship if you already have someone. And also, guys, you are going to be really successful, and this comes down to laws of attraction. So if you truly value yourself, others will also value you. That is the energy with this card. So you need to feel really confident about the way you are doing things, and you are going to be extremely successful, guys. Virgos, in your work and even in your personal life. So let's see what is your love message. Harmony. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, maybe in your life, in your practical life, you need to find that balance. Try to approach life with love, with that attitude of love, compassion, and empathy. So all of us are we come to this world to try and grow ourselves, reach that purpose of our life. The purpose being trying to be a better person, trying to be that higher self. So today, in our situation, maybe we may see circumstances really difficult, worrying us, but when we find that balance and harmony in our heart, our spirit soars, and we feel extremely happy and grateful for that day. So that is the message here, guys. So each and every one of us, we have to have this attitude of love, compassion, and empathy. And when we find peace with ourselves, no matter what our situation is, when we try to be really happy, being peaceful in our heart of hearts, it is easy to be peaceful with everything else, maybe with our other people and outer circumstances. So that is the energy here, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship, or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy, rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.